Greetings! It's macOS. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly and easily compress your video files for free. Let's get right into it. So you're going to need to download HandBrake. It's free and open source software, and one of the things it lets you do is compress video files. There's a link in the description below to download it, and once you've downloaded it, installed it, and opened it up, you're going to be probably taken to a source selection screen. If you're not taken to a source selection screen, just click on the open source button up here. And the next step is you're going to want to drag and drop a video file into the HandBrake program. So I've got a video file that's 1.07 gigabytes big, and I want to compress it. So I'm going to drag and drop it from the Windows File Explorer into the HandBrake program. And then the video is going to be imported. You can change other settings that I don't cover in this tutorial. However, there is one setting you can change that will reduce the file size of the video. So you're going to want to go to the video tab, and you're going to see a slider called quality. I want you to drag this slider closer to lower quality. So I'm going to drag it to be a constant quality of 30, which is going to be lower quality than before, but it's not going to be very noticeable, especially on smaller screens. We're not changing the resolution, we're not changing the frame rate, we're literally just changing the RF quality. You then need to go down here, and you're going to need to navigate to where you want to save the video. So click on Browse. And in the Windows File Explorer, I want you to navigate to a folder where you want to save the newly compressed video you're going to make. And once you found a location for it, make sure the name is correct, then click on Save. Then, once you've got that sorted, click on Starting Code. How long this takes is going to depend on the settings you change, how powerful your PC is, and also the size of the video. For me, it's probably going to take about 2 minutes. And once it's finished, you'll simply have a little message at the bottom of your screen saying, "Queue finished." And if we go to where the video is located, if we click on it, we can see the file size is now 176 megabytes, instead of being over 1 gigabyte. Let's play it. Greetings! It's macOS. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can... This is the compressed video. Now let's look at the original video. Greetings! It's macOS. Today I'm going to be showing you how you... Is there a difference? Yes. However, is it noticeable? Possibly not, especially on a smaller screen. If you're not happy with the results, you can change the settings again and see what it looks like. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.